Description: stimulate and revitalize thinning hair with this shampoo, conditioner, elixir and treatment box set. Packaging may vary. Benefits: certified organic botanicals, sulfate-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, vegan, color vita complex. Suggested use: 4-step process, pre-shampoo elixir, shampoo, conditioner, treatment. Awaken. Awaken your scalp. Rejuvenate your hair. Awaken science is the solution. Surface hair has formulated Awaken to assist with rejuvenation with natural ingredients to assist with growing longer hair stronger and faster. Top reviews from the United States. Works. After trying several hair loss items, this is the first that actually worked to help my mom stop losing hair.